teaching Asian students. They're very respectful, have very good work ethic, work very hard. They bring a different perspective than American students, which I find very refreshing. So I enjoy them very much. Yes, most of my students are watching my lectures online, so I never get to see them in person unless they show up for a surprise visit. Online students are very serious as well because they're investing their time. They have to be very disciplined so that they can follow the schedule, watch the lectures, or else watch them later on. So they have to be organized. They're very motivated. So I enjoy my online students. I would say they're just as hardworking as the in-class students. Yes. Yes, I've had some quite young students in my practical math course. Also, they're very serious. I like to create an atmosphere where all my students are serious and motivated. I've also had quite old students up into 60s and 70s, and I enjoy the combination. Older students have different experiences, of course. Some of them have had bad experiences, so we try to overcome that. Younger students haven't obviously had so many of these experiences, but I enjoy them all. They know what our goals are: to work hard, to learn a lot, to overcome their feelings of lack of confidence. So I enjoy all the age levels. To be as competitive as possible, obviously you have to work hard. You have to complete all the assignments carefully, think through things carefully, stick to the schedule, complete things on time, interact with me if possible. So if you're distance students, you can interact by email, or we have the live chat sessions. So and if I get to know a student through interactions, I'm happy to write them a letter of recommendation. So I would say to speak up, as I say, do the work, study hard, and interact with me, the instructor, if possible, and just show that you're motivated and interested and really have initiative. Those are very important things.